Good morning, students. From this video, we are going to learn about Korean War, the Cuban Missile, the Cuban Revolution, Suez Canal Crisis, Arab-Israeli War, Third World, Non-Aligned Movement, Korean War. The Korean War made the Cold War really hot. Since Korea was partitioned as North and South in 1945, கொரியா என்கிற நாடு இரண்டாக பிரிக்கப்பட்டது 1945ஆம் ஆண்டு தென்கொரியா மற்றும் வடகொரியாவாக. Each side sought to win legitimacy by unifying country. The president of North Korea, Kim Il-sung, decided to act before his southern rival Syngman Rhee got the chance. He launched an attack in June 1950 with tacit support of Stalin. Both Kim and Stalin did not expect the US to intervene. The war lasted for 3 years. The human cost was enormous, but the Korean people gained nothing. Third world countries. The capitalist countries led by the US were politically designated as the first world. The capitalist countries led by the US were politically designated as the first world, while the communist states led by the Soviet Union came to be known as the second world. Communist states came to be known as second world. States outside these two were called third world. The third world countries principally consisted of the developing world, the former colonies of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Non-aligned movement. The non-aligned movement emerged in the wake of decolonization that followed World War II. The NOM, its first conference at Belgrade in 1961 under the leadership of Tito, Nasser, Nehru, then Nkrumah, and Sukarno. Objectives of NAM, non-aligned movement. Peaceful coexistence, commitment to peace and security, no military alliance with any superpower, no permission for any power to build its military base in the territories. Once again, peaceful coexistence, commitment to peace and security, no military alliance with any superpower, no permission for any superpower to build its military base in its territories. The Cuban Revolution. Before the Cuban Revolution, Cuba elected Batista as their 14th president. After Batista finished his term, he made attempts to become president again. After Batista finished his term, he made attempts to become president again. On March 1952, Batista seized power and cancelled all elections in which he was a candidate. In response to Batista's action, Fidel Castro, a lawyer, led roughly 100 guerrillas, including Castro's brother Raul Castro, to attack the Moncada barracks. This was called the 26th of July movement. Raul and Fidel Castro went into exile and met Ernesto Che Guevara in Mexico City in June 1955. Together, they came up with a plan to overthrow Batista. Cuban Missile Crisis. In April 1961, while landing an army of Cuban exiles on the island of Bay of Pigs, the US bombed Cuban airfields. US warships surrounded Cuba. The US, which means the Kennedy government, had received intelligence that the USSR was secretly installing nuclear missiles in Cuba. Finally, the Soviet president Khrushchev agreed to withdraw the missiles and thus the missile crisis was diffused. Suez Canal crisis. In Egypt, 1952, Colonel Nasser became its president. In Egypt, 1952, Colonel Nasser became its president. In 1956, he nationalized the Suez Canal, which undermined British interest. பிரிட்டிஷை ஒரு பொருட்டாக கூட எடுத்துக்காமல் அவர் 1956 சூயஸ் கேனல் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கேனலை தன்னுடைய நாட்டிற்கு சொந்தம் அப்படின்று அறிவிச்சிடுறார். With the failure of diplomacy, Britain and France decided to use force. Israel saw this an opportunity to open the Gulf of Aqaba to Israeli shipping and put a stop to Egyptian border raids. On 29th October, Israeli forces invaded Egypt. Britain used this opportunity to demand that its troops be allowed to occupy the canal zone to protect the canal. However, under pressure of world opinion, Britain and France ended hostilities on 6th November. India, represented by Nehru, played a crucial role in resolving the crisis. Arab-Israeli War, 1967. This conflict begins after First World War. This conflict begins after First World War, when the Ottoman Empire lost control of the Middle East. The land was divided and European countries were given mandate or control of the region. In 1947, the United Nations announced a plan to divide Palestine into an Arab and Jewish state. Jews agreed, but Arabs vowed to do anything needed to prevent the UN plan from being carried out. Ever since the formation of the Palestinian Liberation Organization, PLO, Palestinian Liberation Organization, Israel came to be attacked frequently by Palestinian guerrilla groups based in Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan. Israel came to be attacked frequently by Palestinian guerrilla groups based in Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan. In 1966, an Israeli strike on the village of Al Samu in the Jordanian West Bank left 18 dead and 54 wounded. Israel's air battle with Syria in April 1967 ended in the shooting down 6 Syrian MiG fighter jets. Arab-Israeli War, 1973. Egypt and Syria under Presidents Anwar Sadat and Hafez al-Assad respectively concluded a secret agreement in January 1973 to bring their armies under one command. Egypt and Syria launched a sudden and surprise attack on the Yom Kippur religious holiday. Egypt and Syria launched a sudden and surprise attack on the Yom Kippur religious holiday. Though Israel suffered heavy casualties. It finally pushed back the Arab forces, but this time, due to UN intervention, Israel was forced to return to its 1967 position. Arabs gained nothing out of this war too. By the mediation, the US succeeded in asserting its hegemony over the region and its oil. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.